I'm going to start with my 4 favorite kinds right now. So this is still on the top of my list. I do love the feel of bamboo. And I know that there's lots of more fancy things out here, but bamboo is it just feels natural. It just feels good. Feels really good. These are clovers. I have a lot of bamboos and wooden ones that do not match up with the clover. I gotta say, I bought an extremely cheap version recently. As you can see, this is not even carved out at the right spot. I'm gonna have to get a little bit of sandpaper here. But clover, beautiful. These guys, awesome investment. This guy is the only one of this whole bunch that is not an inline that I love. So as you can see, it's got that nice tip. This is really good for fast, if you really want to go fast. Sometimes when I go fast, I'm not as accurate. Alrighty, this is a prim, and a lot of people love these. Yeah, a lot of people love these. You can try them, Michaels. Everybody carries these, and I would say that these are also worth it. This is not my first pickup, though. Really, the one that's coming up is. This is my current second favorite. As you can see, look how beautiful it is. You can see it against the cat. Look how beautiful. I know. All right, I'm sorry, honey, you gotta go. Look how beautiful. Really, truly. This is made in India, and it's made out of resin. All right. The final, my current favorite. This is a furls. Everybody was talking to me about how great they were, and I looked at the price tag, and I was like, no. But let me tell you, this is like crocheting. Oh, in heaven, I assume. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe they don't crochet in heaven. I don't know. But it's like a pendulum. It's a little bit heavy, but you can feel it when you do your little... Prepare here. Hope I'm in the right spot. Goes right. And this is the smoothest I have ever used. This is definitely the smoothest one I've ever used. This one was only $26. And I gotta say, it's the queen. It might even be the king. I don't know. But it's the best. Thanks for watching. For my students, I want you will all get a handful of these wonderful Susan Batesies. Move. Look at this colorful greatness. Oops, that's a boil. Susan Bates. You'll get a kit when we actually start classes. But if you have some at home, or if anyone in your family or friends has any, gather them up, man. You never know what your favorite might be.